Why do you have mayor ears? Why? Mwah. Oh, good crunchies. You got all the good crunchies for me? Yes? Mwah. Kisses. You know you're getting your treats. It's crunchy time. Oh, there we go. That's the good stuff, huh? Knicker makers. Mwah. Okay. Oh, hi, baby girl. Good stuff. She's like, I snuck out earlier. Say, Mama didn't realize that I could sneak under the stall guard if she wasn't smart enough to hook the bottom end. Huh. Okay, I need kisses now. I need kisses. Mwah. Thank you. Good job, girlfriend. Yes, Sonny has to go last. Because gentlemen let the ladies go first. Doesn't he? Nom, nom, nom. You're such a good girl. Yes, you are. She's looking up everything, huh? Can we get a kiss from the mayor? No? No kisses? Oh, you went blurry on me. I want kisses. Mwah. Good girl. Mwah. Okay, Sonny, now you go. Thank you for being such a good man. Yes. Say, we can be good to our ladies, can't we? And there's your last one. Good, tasties. Can I get a kiss? Can I get a kiss? You're like, no, I don't think you have any more tasties. Oh, mwah, good kisses. Mwah. Thank you, sir. Mwah.